How did you get into your product manager role?
For me, the I think one key milestone for me was business school. That being said, it doesn't mean that you need to be in business school to become a product manager, but it was a case for me because a couple of things happened. One, it was the first time for me that I learned about product management. I didn't know about PM until I actually came to the US to study my MBA. And second, I learned that with my previous experience, I could translate a lot of my skills, and that's where you hear about the transferable skills about how to become a product manager, right? So I look at my previous experience as a consultant in business intelligence, and I looked at things like I was actually working cross functionally. I was leading different consulting teams. I was working with engineering. I was working with designers to come up with, all the dashboards and whatever we're doing in the consulting firm. I was looking at customer problems and seeing how we could solve them. And so I was already doing a bunch of different things in product management, but I was a consultant. So I took those skills. I crafted stories around those skills in my resume, in phone calls, in coffee chats, in interviews. And I was able to tell anyone saying, hey, I don't have the title of product management, but here's everything that I've done in the past and how that can translate into being a successful product manager. And so through networking, through getting referrals from either alumni from my school or simply by building that rapport in networking, I was able to tell my story in a way that would make sense to a hiring manager that, hey, they might not have the title, but they can do the job and they can be successful.